Okay guys, so we're going to the other park now, so yeah. And mommy doesn't want to go, but I want to.
You wanna walk?
Yeah. Mommy, I said thank you, I love you.
I love you too.
Okay.
And you're welcome.
Okay. I need to make sure it is tight. My shoes.
Where are we going though?
To the park.
To the park.
I want to go to the big park.
Okay. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Let's turn here. Wait for me. There's a stop sign, so you have to stop.
Now go straight.
No cars. Oh, it's hot. It's hot.
It is a beautiful day today, so I'm riding my bike. And the sun is shining in my eyes.
It's positive 27. It's summer. Here I am walking, following Kelsey. Kelsey likes to walk. I mean biking. I'm tired, but she wants to go out. I just got up from work and I am here. Huh?
I want to go here.
You wanna go here?
Here.
Where?
Here.
What's wrong?
What? Okay. I want to go on that thing.
Huh?
I want to go on that. Oh, it's too hard. I think I'll try new things. Hi guys. I'm on top of it. Okay, now I don't know how I'm gonna get down, but I'm just gonna try. That was fun. Okay, so that was me climbing it up, and that's mommy. Dad, look out, because I'm gonna go on this one.
What bag?
That one.
Sus, ginoo ko eh. Nauna man na nimo.
That's what I did.
Dalawan manggay kang bag.
Yeah.
I won't stop.
More.
What did you do?
I made it spinny. So these ones, and then I'm gonna skip. So I'm doing it normally now. Guys, now I'm going to skip it like this. Look, mommy, I can skip. See? And now I'm gonna do it backwards.
I'm sorry. Do you want to bring?
No, I don't want to go home.
I didn't say I wanna go home too. How about you? We will go where the monkey bar is.
Where's the monkey bars?
What is monkey bars?
It's this.
Oh.
It's called monkey bars because you hang from the bars.
Oh. Tigo, tigo. I wanna go home. Me and the moon. What?
Can we go to the other playground now?
Which one?
Oh. Let's go.
So today, Kelsey and I are going to play.
Tic-tac-toe.
Huh?
Tic-tac-toe.
Oh,
Called tic-tac-toe.
oh, it's 3 in a row. So
3 in a row wins.
the know what?
3 in a row wins. See?
I'm gonna be black.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you want to go first or me?
You. Unsa man nga dula?
3 in a row wins.
Kelsey, the $2 si Kelsey. I won.
Can we do it
See?
again?
I'm smart,
Can
Kelsey.
we do it again?
Okay, sure.
What are you gonna pick?
No one is winner.
Yeah.
Okay, are we done now? I wanna go home.
Okay guys, so we're going to the other park now, so yeah. Mommy doesn't want to go, but I want to. Anyways, it's just right there.
So I'm tired, so I just wanna sit here and wait for her.
Mommy, I'm going over there. He's gonna watch my bike.
I'm gonna stay here until she's done playing. What are you doing?
I'm going over there.
Okay, I'm coming. Okay, kapoy ba? Okay, and after this,
You can sit here, Mommy.
how am I supposed to sit here? It's slanted.
So?
It's not balanced.
So?
So?
You're gonna make it balanced when you sit here.
I'm tired.
Fine, you can just stand.
Two. The moon and the airplane. Look at that. Isn't it amazing? So?
I don't know how to push myself.
I'll push you.
Mommy, that's the wrong way.
What?
You're supposed to go on the back of me.
Why? I can do it here. Are you ready?
Oh my gosh.
Push.
Hi guys, so I am on the swing right now, and this is not like a normal swing, this is like this kind of swing. So yeah, and mommy's pushing me. Say hi. So yeah, and mommy's scared of this swing. I don't know why. She thinks it's gonna fall, right? But I'm not scared of it. And after she stops pushing me on the swing, she's gonna push me on the merry-go-round over there. So yeah, she's just gonna keep pushing me till she stops. So yeah.
We should go home now.
Okay, let's go.
We're going home. So, only 5 minutes, okay? Because it's getting dark. Mag-bike babaya ka.
Okay.
Huh?
Let's go.
Tama na kay kapoy.
Now mommy's pushing me on the merry-go-round. And it's really fun. There she is pushing me, and we only have 5 minutes, and we're going home because I have to ride my bike. So yeah, and every stop sign I'm gonna stop. This is really fun. Okay guys, should I say I'm going home now? Okay guys, after this push, I'm going home.
Why would you go home?
You just said I can.
Kapoy naman. I'm tired of pushing.
Okay, then let's go home. That was fun. Thanks.
Okay.
So I'm gonna go show you guys my bike. You get the bag.
That's my bag.
Mommy, can I have some?
Ew. Because don't touch it. You have to wash your hands. Ew.
You can
See?
put this now.
Throw it in garbage. You hungry? Oh, let's go home.
I just want one.
Okay, then go grab some. Really?
Okay. I need some water.
Don't you want to wear your jacket?
Oh yeah. It's going to be cold. And I brought my jacket just in case I got cold. Let's go guys, I'm gonna go show you my bike. Let's go. This is mommy. So this is what my bike looks like. It looks like this. It is teal, and this is my purple helmet. And it was on sale. That's why my dad bought it. So I'm gonna ride it.
All right, let's go.
safety first. Which way?
That way.
Hi guys.
She's biking and I'm walking. That's unfair,
You didn't want to bring your bike.
right? That's unfair.
You said I'll just.
Look at me.
You said I'll just walk them. You should have said, okay, I'll bring my bike. But you said I just want to walk.
She likes biking. And turn right.
Go straight.
Yeah, go straight. Pero wait. Sige, go.
Halfway there.
Okay, let's go. Slow down, Kelsey. Slow down. Turn left here, okay? Kelsey, turn left here. But just a second. Wait. Look both ways. Okay, go. Clear. Let's go. Clear faster, baby. Nami sa likod. Muagi kay. Para diretso sa garage. Okay, arrive. Go. Ako na to sa garage.
Okay, can you open the door for me?
Huh?
Can you open this for me?
Do you want me to open it?
My mom is gonna open the garage door while I'm still on my bike. And it keeps moving backwards because it's that so. And it's automatic. You just press a button.
Where's my bike?
Oh, it's in the tent.
Oh.
I have to get my bike from the tent too. Oh, yeah.